Odisha faces often natural disaster due to cyclone. Barchan landform is associated with desert. The snowy community of Rajasthan is associated with protection of forest. A study of landform and land is called geomorphology. Term geography is coined by Eratosthenes. A smallest district in Tamil Nadu in term of area is Kanyakumari. Malban is finest variety of muslin. Headquarter of Julian Survey of India is Geological Survey of India is located in Kolkata. Uttarakhand has received an unusual amount of rainfall in 2013. Series of coalescing alluvial fans along a mountain front is called a bajada. Separating cotton from seed by combing is called ginning. As per India State of Forest Report 2021, Union Territory of India which has largest forest coverage, Lakshadweep. Megalopolis, a Greek word meaning great city, was popularized by Gene Gottman. A negative aspect where people move away from their home to new is called push factor. A positive aspect that attracts people to move to places with good employment is called pull factor. Wagah process of seeping water into ground is called infiltration. Wagah board is located in Amritsar. A gift of nature that is useful for mankind, natural resources. Raisina Hills is situated in the same location as Rashtrapati Bhavan. Forest Institute of Institution is located in Dehradun. Main source of power generation in India is thermal power. INS Sardar Patel naval base is located in Porbandar. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, these are called seven sisters of India. Botanical Survey of India is located in Kolkata. In Brazil, coffee plantation known as Fazenda. Headquarters of Geological Survey of India located in Kolkata. Earliest member of human species, Homo sapiens, can be traced back to Africa. Ocean thermal energy, wave energy and energy source of sea energy. First topographical survey in India was started by Major James Linden. Major worldwide center for ship breaking in India is called Alang. Island where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years was called Robben Island. Difo Bridge is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Prolonged period of inadequate rainfall marked with maldistribution of same over time and space is called meteorological drought. One of the largest salt brines desert in world is called Rann of Kutch. Headquarter of Choir Board is located in Cochin. Areas of Konkan, Marathwada and Vidarbha are located in same Indian state, Maharashtra. Damodar Valley Corporation operates thermal power stations. Vindhyachal Super Thermal Power Station located in Madhya Pradesh. Mundra Thermal Power Station is in Gujarat. Talcher Super Thermal Power Station is Odisha. The branch of geology exploring how rock bends in reaction to forces within earth structure is called structure geology. Pedology, another term of soil geography. Scientific study of ocean is called oceanography. Older element is called bhangar. Younger deposit of flood is called khaddar. Using tree or shrubs as fences for is called wind erosion.